How to fix iPhone calculator app not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is completely delete the calculator app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold the calculator app. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Remove App. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your App Store. Search for the app calculator. After app appears, install it. By this, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards other solutions, close this. Now launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head towards the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, make sure your phone software is up to date. Likewise, head back. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Lastly, what you can do is force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After you force restart your device, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix iPhone calculator app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.